Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. An insider has revealed the final design of Samsung's future flagships, the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. New renders of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series smartphones showcase the line's final design. They were published by a very reputable insider. On the other hand, accessories for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra are ready, new cases and camera protectors, and new battery details are revealed on the network. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New information about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship has surfaced online. Judging by the images, the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus will retain the same design as the previous generation, but will feature less pronounced rounded corners. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, however, will take a different path. Its corners will be more rounded than those of the S25 Ultra, but noticeably less so than those of the younger models in the series. All smartphones in the lineup will feature a large triple camera array on the rear panel. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature two separate rings, housing the TOF sensor and the main telephoto lens. The LED flash is positioned identically on all models. On the other hand, accessories for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra are ready, new cases and camera protectors are revealed on the network. Again, well-known insider Ice Universe has published photographs that allegedly show protective films for the camera unit of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series smartphones. Judging by the images, accessory manufacturers have already received information about the design of future devices and have begun preparing related products long before the official announcement. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is receiving special attention. According to the insider, accessory companies have already developed numerous protective cases that are not only practical, but also feature a more thoughtful and attractive design. The appearance of such accessories is considered an indirect confirmation of the finalization of the smartphone design. According to leaker Ice Universe, the company conducted internal tests to obtain data on the device's battery recharge time. The Galaxy S26 Ultra can recharge its battery to 75% in approximately 30 minutes. It is noted that these tests were conducted under controlled laboratory conditions, including a stable ambient temperature. Results may vary in everyday use. The new Galaxy S26 lineup will launch in February 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.